Hello, Stellar people, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Trey, and it is the start of March, which means the 100-day March, which is a challenge I do for myself to try to get something done. And this year is Beautiful Beast Kiss Chapter 3. And so every week I'm going to do talk about an aspect of making comics, and it will hopefully be interesting. And in it, each week we'll talk about, say, ideation, how to get out ideas for what is going to go into the comic by simple thumbnailing, or before that, starting with just making a list of what you want to see done, like actions taken. What is the character? Who are the characters? What are the characters going to go through? You can write that in a list. After that, you can make little thumbnails about page layouts, and in those page layouts, draw in what the characters are doing roughly, just to get an idea. I usually make a one sheet that looks like this, where it has just words, and we will also go over things like character designs, how to make them, what to do with them, and trying not to go back on your designs in the middle after you've gotten better at drawing the character, and then you want to change the pages in the beginning. I've had that happen. But we're going to keep going forward, right? We'll make a character and we'll keep moving forward. We will also go through and go over the phases of making a comic, from taking it from the ideation to page layouts and small concepts, to then making a rough sketch of the whole thing, whether to scale or on a smaller sheet of paper, before taking it up to a larger, and then going from the roughs to tight pencils to ink, inks to color, because I hope to do it end with color, even if it's simple colors. And text speech bubbles, gutters, all of that. We'll try to work all of that out during different aspects of this process over the course of these 100 days, and to see if I can get this thing done. So I hope you'll join me on this little challenge / adventure in making comics. Take care, keep shining. I've been Trey. Find my work at treyhodges.com, and I'll see you next week. Bye.